Telangana region on Friday. Pawan Kalyan's Komaram Puli, in which he in fact plays a police officer, was a host of pro-Telangana activists who took offense to the use of the name Komaram, who was a revolutionary from Telangana who fought against the Nizam. That's because Pawan and his brother Megastar Chiranjeevi have opposed the creation of the separate Telangana state.
Telangana people have been their fans, but it is a warning for all the Telangana, from the Telangana people to Chiranjeevi and Pawan Kalyan, that these fooling and acting will not continue with all the 4 crore population. Komaram Puli and any other movies which come from the Chiranjeevi and Pawan Kalyan family will be stopped by the Telangana students.
In a clampdown, the producer after the first show agreed to drop the word Komaram.
కొమరం అనే దాన్ని మేము తొలగించబడుతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ మా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్లకి అందరికీ ఆ కొమరం అనే దాని మీద ఇంటి పెట్టేయమని చెప్పాము.
Telangana students